true when I say so, say so, say so. Shoot it up, shoot it up.
Away, from the block. This shit be like this every day. This shit be like this.
And not 100 rounds. Talking pussy, get fucked, nigga gonna down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that kind of sound. I'm pimping bitches, you can fuck, she pull the panty down. I got killer young niggas with the 30 round. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. I'll take it one call, I can do it now. I just made it one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.
Hey y'all, gang, okay, cool, we back. The camera went dead. Yeah, go get another battery. But y'all see, this is the deflated one. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all before we started this vlog, I was gonna try to show y'all 2 ways to do it. As you see, I took the whole fucking tire off. See, that's the inner tube. That's the old inner tube, as a matter of fact. This is the rim, this is the tire. I'm gonna expect it one more time before I actually put the tire on. But I'm gonna show y'all 2 ways, and the 2 ways were gonna be, I could have left the tire on the rim and just pulled the fucking inner tube out of the tire in the rim. I left the tire on and stuffed it, the flat one, inside of the tire, and just all you had to do was just break one side of the rim off. But I didn't feel like doing all that tussling shit. I feel like this right here was just so much easier. And I'm gonna tell you, it's because it's a used tire. I'm gonna say a used tire. It's a street tire, and the street tires are slick easier than the dirt tires. So remember that. So in the meantime, like I said, we're gonna get back to it. And we're gonna go ahead and put a little air in it. This is my way of doing it, you know. Put a little air in it. Let I get it. Put a little air in it. In the meantime, when that bitch get pumped up with air in it, we're gonna go ahead and put that bitch on the tire and get back with y'all. Looking for last few days ago. Hey gang, we back. You know what I'm saying? Take a little break, man. My bro, you know, pull up on it. Y'all see the vibes over there. That shit just do over there, man. Yeah, take a little break, man. But we only really been like 5 minutes into the work, and that's where we at. We're in the middle of it. So now I just gotta, like I say, put the shit back together. We got it off. We got air in the tube. We got the old in the tube. This shit still hold the air. Damn, we really could have put some fix to flatten this motherfucker, but it still hold the air. So. But that's trash for the meantime. We got new tires. But goddamn, we're gonna go ahead and smoke one real quick and get back to the vibes and knock this shit out and take it over there later on. Oh, my boy out here today, might have a cameraman. You might be able to hold the camera, but I don't know, it depends. Cause he can hold the camera and I can work. Ain't nothing but like 15 more minutes worth of memory on this shit, so. We're gonna go on the kids in a minute, but in the meantime, between time, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and some motherfucking subscribe. Hey gang, wait now, we back outside, man. We finished this motherfucker. Hear me out. Boom. Here we go. We gotta pop the tire on the beat. I don't know if y'all watched the last video or if y'all know or not. I normally put that line right there, if y'all can see it. You want that line to be even all the way around the top. Right now it's not even. Look, follow it. And it's gonna disappear on your ass, right? I think. Yeah, it should disappear. You know what I'm saying? It disappear. It disappear. It disappear. And then it start to come back out. You know what I'm saying? So basically it's sunk in the rim right in there. So now you gotta pop this shit on the beat. We're gonna tighten this up. The rim lock. And everything. You know. Gonna tighten him down. We got the wheel lock. Lined it up. Put set right on that motherfucker. So, yep, everything right. Look good to me. Then go and put some air in this motherfucker, man. Let's do it. Got my outside with yeah. Man, take a little break. Y'all know the vibe. And we need to use our soap and water. It wasn't that hard. Gonna put some air in this motherfucker, y'all. Man, in the meantime, between time, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. And then I'm gonna tell y'all another little tip what I do. There was another thing I do. See why the tie still off the bead? It's not really on the bead. It's trying to get attached to the bead, but to make the job 10 times more easy, I'm gonna show y'all something. Really, his shit might pop on the bead easy, cause like I said, his shit was already off the bike. I mean, it was already on the bike, his tie being used. But I'm gonna show y'all something. Hey, let me see that water right now. We're gonna put some soap and water on the tie. And what they're gonna do is it's gonna help the tire get on it. So, hold it real quick. Right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look, I swear you gotta hold the camera right, bro.
Oh, yeah.
It's on, bro.
Yeah, oh.
Move your other hand. Move that hand, bro. The hand front hand, yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bounce this bitch as if you got a helmet. You know what I'm saying? You got a helmet. Then, like if I would've had a helmet, I would've beat around that motherfucker type of shit. But the million times I do, I just bounce this bitch around. If y'all ain't seen me do this shit in the lab vlog, I did this shit in the lab vlog. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little water on this motherfucker. You gonna put that shit on both sides. Do it like that. You wanna bounce that motherfucker again a little more. Then you gonna put some air in that motherfucker. Hey bro, press the red button at the top.
The red button.
Press the red button at the top. Press it one time, you did?
Uh-huh.
See it cut off. Nah, this is it, right? Alright guys, oh shit. Oh shit. Alright gang, we so look, y'all just seen me put that water shit on that motherfucker, right? So there was little shit, check me out. We finna go on and pump it up and we're gonna over pump fill this motherfucker. And we just gonna watch how smooth it gonna pop onto that shit. Be honest, I don't even think that nigga shit was even on the beat. Like his shit really coming out. Like his shit wasn't out like this at first, rock. I don't even think the shit was on the beat, dog. Let's get out there another. Alright, so look, y'all got them motherfucking 60 PSI, goddamn, which is way over, I think. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. We have to find where she said. She said on it. So, yeah, maximum load. It's somewhere right there. Y'all look at it. Y'all can find that shit. I don't know. Oh, it's like 42 PSI. But I got them motherfucking 60. You hear me? Nobody's tight. You see, that's what people fuck up at. Y'all read this shit that says 60 or whatever, right? I mean 40. Y'all understand? This is a street tire that come off of a Harley Davidson. And this tire wouldn't really go off of an inner tube. We wouldn't normally put no inner tube in this type of tire. You know what I'm saying? This is a real life motorcycle cruiser Harley Davidson tire that they actually just got a stem and they put onto the rim like a car. And they pump that motherfucker up, you know what I'm saying? The tire actually hold out. So you, as a dirt bike rider, you can't go off of this shit, off the tire. You can't go off of that, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's like, you kind of slick bootleggers and shit, you feel me? Like, we putting the inner tube in this shit. And also, this tire on the motorcycle wouldn't have no fucking wheel lock on it. You dig what I'm saying? Like, a wheel lock, this shit is for a dirt bike. But you still wanna hook all this shit up the same way as if this shit was a dirt bike tire. You dig what I'm saying? The fucking inner tube go bigger than this fucking tire. You see what I'm saying? This shit say 190, 19. The B, I don't know what this shit mean, but it don't mean too much of shit. Main thing you wanna learn about is these three numbers. 190, 19. So y'all hear me out. That's the tire specs, right? I'm gonna take y'all to the box or the fucking inner tube, right? They go to the inner tube now. They go to, what this shit say? Read it now. 100 dash 110. 90, 19. You see that 100? Let's go back to that 100 and that 110. So basically it's saying 190, 19, which is the same as that tire back there. Then you got 110, 90, 19, which can be a whole nother tire that say it can be a little bit wider or some shit than that tire, and that might need a little bit more air. So basically, that's what this shit is saying. It can go between 100 and 110. So by that tire being smaller than 110, you can't, to put this tire on the B, you have to overfill this motherfucker up as if this tire is a 110. You know what I'm saying? This shit say 100. The other one would say 110, 90, 19. You see what I'm saying? But to get the tire on the B, this what I'm talking about. Cause niggas out there, y'all be fucking up with that shit. Like with the B's and shit, I be telling y'all, look, just overfill the tire. Overfill the motherfucker. That motherfucker, the inner tube, y'all see this shit? I really, you know what? I do it. I'm gonna make another vlog. And I'm gonna blow this motherfucker up. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do it now in this vlog. And we gonna see what this bitch do. I'm gonna wait on my bro D, and I'm gonna show y'all how fucking big this shit go. You feel what I'm saying? This how y'all really be pumping y'all shit, because y'all feel it to that spec. No, motherfucker, you gotta overblow that bitch. That bitch will blow up. Yeah. That bitch get huge. So that's what we gonna do. We gonna wait when my bro get here. We gonna goddamn put the little out shit in his car. And we gonna goddamn, we gonna blow this motherfucker. We finna do a science experiment. We gonna blow that bitch up until it pop. So people can know, you know what I'm saying, yo, it ain't shit to be scared of. That shit ain't gonna pop like that. That shit gonna expand, bro. That bitch get huge. So, boom. So going back to his tire, y'all see what I was talking about. The line is out all the way evenly across. You did what I'm saying? Evenly across on both sides. So, the evenly across on both sides. Yep. So what I do, hold the camera one more time. So what I do is, I ain't putting gloves on real quick, y'all. I'm gonna unglove it. That be way over there. You get that? I'm really not trying to get my hand dirty. Be for real. So boom. I'm gonna get the tie. And we're gonna dribble this motherfucker one more time. And you want to put pressure on it. You know what I'm saying? You put that pressure on it, cause it's like, if I would have had a mallet like a hammer, I would have banged the side of it. I would have banged the top of it. But what that do, that help this shit and the hammer help sit the tire on the B like evenly around. Oh shit, oh shit. You got that shit crazy. We got that one like bouncing this shit, cause shit like that. I ain't got time for that. But yeah. And then at the end of the day, we good. Be rock solid. You know, and then like, no, not do it. Like I said, that's how I know how I feel it. When I can't push in it, I feel like it can hold a little more. But that motherfucker was at 60 PSI. So if it's at 60, I don't wanna overdo it. We're gonna leave it like that. Take it to him and then he can let it out. That's when I do. I let it out when I put it on the top. So in the meantime, 20 times, y'all like, share, comment, some motherfucker subscribe, and I'll get back with y'all in the next one. My job has been complete. You know what I'm saying? The shit, hey man, the motherfucker just didn't hold no air. That motherfucker hard as a rock. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got no leaks, shit. Yeah, hey man. But hey man, meantime, y'all like, share, comment, and some motherfucking subscribe.
Better run Draco, better run Glock, shoot when I say so, shoot it up,
I'm ready. It's really from a block away. Really from the block. Let this shit be like this every day. This shit be like this.
And not 100 rounds, talking pussy, get fucked, nigga gonna down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon round. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she roll a penny down. I got killer young niggas with the 30 round. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. I'll take it one call, I can do it now. I just made it one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.